Hi everybody, TGIF. It's Lisa here at the Bruce Company to talk to you a little bit about things that you could be doing in your yard this weekend. Looks like it's going to be good weather for planting, seasonal temps, although it looks like we're going to get a temperature hike next week. But I thought I'd start off the session by talking a little bit about watering. Now we are 10 inches down from year to date for rainfall for 2021, and you can really tell because a lot of plants are looking a little droopy, yards are looking dry. I've noticed that the grass is starting on medians and stuff, where places where it doesn't get watered, starting to get a little bit straw looking. So I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about watering. So we have a lot of people that come into the garden center and they use watering wands. These are great, by the way. This one's by Dram. They come in great colors and different lengths, and they are some of them are adaptable, so they'll do different spray patterns. But this is the type that we use here in the garden center. And a lot of times when people water, they'll just do this. And they'll say, I'm watering every day. But that's not good watering for plants. When you're watering plants, whether you're watering in a pot or a mixed container or in the ground, you want to do this. You want to get the water where the roots are. That's going to give the plant water where it needs and not just wet the foliage, which, you know, we might like to run through a sprinkler, but plants don't really care. If you've planted things this year, like a big garden or trees and shrubs, and you have a big area, then this is a soaker hose. And this is awesome because you can just hook this up to your hose, to your regular hose, and kind of zigzag it, say, around if you put in a wall of arborvitae for privacy, or you have a vegetable garden and you're going to wind it through the plants. Then when you turn this on, it fills with water, and then it slowly leaches the water through this sort of fabric hose, which is really great. Again, very slow, so the water has a chance to sink in and get to where it wants to go, where we need it to go. If you've got places where you can't easily get a hose and you don't want to carry buckets of water, this is what we call a tree gator. So this you fill up with water, and it's got little micro holes in the bottom of it, and you attach this right at the base of your tree, and this will slowly drain in through these little permeated holes into the root area of your tree. So super effective, very low tech, and then the next day you can move it to another tree and then just get yourself on a schedule. So, you know, we are looking at, like I said, it's really dry. I think what we really want is a couple of really nice soaking rains. Until we get those and we get some moisture accumulated in the soil, commit to watering everything that you've planted this year. Good soak once a week until the ground freezes. One thing you could be planting this week are these really awesome echinacea or coneflowers. They come in a whole bunch of colors, and they are in special in these 8-inch pots from $22.99 to $19.99 this weekend only. We have a whole bunch of colors. They're great for a sunny spot in your yard, and if you keep cutting them back, they'll keep on producing flowers, so super fun. And finally, I want to end with a little talk about our plant desk. So this time of year, we see lots of people that come in and they're trying to describe a plant problem to us with words, or they call on the phone. And that's, you know, you may be describing it and looking at it and thinking that you are seeing that we're seeing what you're telling us, but that's not always the case. So you can always email photos to us. It's plantdesk@brucecompany.com, plantdesk@brucecompany.com. We'd be happy to look at your photos. It's just a little bit easier for us to diagnose things when we are looking at what you are looking at. So thanks for listening, everybody, and happy summer gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.